Hello, welcome again. We are solving engineering subject pre-2018 mechanical engineering paper. Question number 149 is statement 1. A dynamically balanced system of multiple rotors on a shaft can rotate smoothly at the critical speeds of the system. Statement 2. Dynamic balancing eliminates all the unbalanced forces and couples from the system. Option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option D, statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. So here answer is D, because first statement is wrong statement. So at critical speed shaft cannot rotate smoothly because of the infinite amplitude of vibration. So statement 1 is not true. So answer is option D, that is statement 1 is false and but statement 2 is true. Answer is D.